Morning arrived, but no resolution. Despite an overnight truce declared by the Ukrainian president, more Molotov cocktails flew over the fortifications. The fiery battles between protesters and riot police filled the streets again and filled the air with the sound of anger and distrust. At times, police were chased off this corner of Independence Square in Kiev, but the response was predictably forceful. The death toll has sadly risen, with both sides suffering casualties. At least 43 victims, which makes this the bloodiest period in Ukraine's 22-year post-Soviet history. Russia continues to back Ukraine's President Viktor Yanukovych, but impatience is surfacing. It has pretty much said Ukraine's leadership is being walked over like a doormat by the protesters, and that it will only deal with a legitimate and effective authority. There is some talking between the leaders of each side on the ground, though, but what difference that makes isn't yet clear. Protesters' anger over the blocking of a trade deal with the EU in favour of Russia has not dissipated in the slightest. Foreign ministers have been meeting in Brussels to discuss the use of sanctions against Ukraine, not a favourable situation for the country's top three magnates, who have all called on Yanukovych to hold back from using force. The battles have dragged on for months now, and a resolution is much needed. Otherwise, these streets in Kiev will remain a protest site and a battleground firmly in the world's eyes.